If you're a student who likes a class that's more active, that is less textbook based, this is the class for you. If you're a student who has lost motivation, not quite sure where you're going, this is the class for you. If you're shy, this is the class for you. If you feel like your listening isn't strong, this is the class for you. Hi, my name is Sonia and I'm the teacher of the Café Skills class right behind me. Café Work Skills is kind of a bridge between the classroom and the real world. This class bridges the language that is needed for those jobs and the skills. So it's not a class based on theory, it's a class that has practical aspects too. We've got a lot of customers standing here. It's the end of the session and this is the real world with customers, with complaints, with small talk, all the language that we have looked at this session. We make, flat whites, cappuccinos, lattes, Americanos, espresso, London fogs. But at this point, we're keeping it simple because the learning curve is pretty steep. They start off kind of nervous at the machines, and now you can see behind me they look like pros. This class builds confidence. You have to deal with customers, which currently are your classmates or fellow students in school, but you have to start talking to strangers, you have to deal with problems, you have to share knowledge, it's teamwork. If you're a student who likes a class that's more active, that is less textbook based, this is the class for you.